For my midterm, I decided to plan a birthday party for my little sister Mallory. I chose to do this because I thought it would be the easiest task to do all of the Google tools. Here's my folder. First, I did a Google Docs. On this, I listed everything we would need to buy for the party and where to buy it. I did this because it would help me know all the things we needed and where to get them. If I have to order anything, I know in time to get it where it's ordered and into our house. The next thing I did was take all of the things from the Google Docs and put them into Google Sheets. I wanted to figure out how much the party was going to cost. In the first column is the items we need to buy. In the second column is the number of things we need. The next column tells us the type of items it is. And the fourth column tells us how much one of those is. The fifth column is the total price for each individual item. So, for example, if we want to buy 3 wings in a bag, one would cost us $9.99. So altogether, with the 3 that we're getting, it would cost us a total of $29.97. I used the math functions to multiply the number of items that I needed to get. Then I added all the totals together to get the total cost of the party. I better tell my mom to start saving. Next, I decided to do Google Forms. This form asks questions about the party. It asks where I should have the party, where I should have the party, the time that the party should be, what they think Mallory will like, what to do if it rains, and more. It's a unique way of planning a party by asking the guests for their input. An example of a question would be, where should we have what time should we have the party? And then there's several options for this. The next thing I did was create my map from Google Maps. I did this to show the people where the party options could be. If you look at people can look at the map to see where it could be. It includes Wonderworks, Fun Warehouse, our house, a bowling alley, and Family Kingdom, an amusement park somewhat close to our house. If the guest can see where the party might be, it would be easier for them to complete the Google form. They will also know how to find the party once the party place is decided. The final thing that I did was Google Drawings. I added a couple of text boxes and pictures from Google. Mallory's party is dog themed, so I found a dog picture. I gave the drawing a title about the party, and then I gave them a link to the Google form so that they can help me plan the party. I think these are all the things I would need to plan a party. I hope this video helps you understand what I was thinking when I started the project, Have a great day.